Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am in Washington, D.C. Our office is based in Washington, D.C. We do have clients that are all over the United States, and we help with only immigration cases. But within immigration cases, we help with employment cases. We help with employment cases. We help with uh, humanitarian cases like VAWAs, visas, U visas, and of course, family-based cases as well. Okay, but we only work with U.S. immigration. If you have a question on U.S. immigration, I would be happy to have a consultation with you. I'm here to provide some general information to you guys to help you understand immigration a little bit better, maybe have some ideas about types of benefits that might be available to you that you may have not been aware of. So think about it. If you don't already follow us and like us on our social media platforms, we are on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok right now. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. We also have an Instagram account that we post very frequently. So feel free to follow us, like us on all of these platforms. You can then be notified when I'm on and hopefully join us and learn about immigration, learn from each other and the questions that your peers are asking here as well. And then, of course, if you'd like to have a confidential consultation, I would highly recommend that you schedule a consultation with us. And you can do that by calling our office 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation if you would like on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Great. I always start off with my question of the day. Okay. I'm an attorney. If you guys are just joining, I'm an attorney. I'm an immigration attorney in Washington, D.C. We help clients no matter where they are located. And I'm on here to provide some information and understanding on U.S. immigration laws. If you have friends or family that are interested, please share this post with them, like us, follow us on our platform so you can be notified when I go live. Okay. All right. So what I want to do today is talk about VAWA. We talk about VAWA a lot because it's a very common case type for us, and we file a lot of VAWA cases. So one of the things that comes up is people wonder if getting a green card through something like VAWA is going to allow them to later apply for U.S. citizenship, right? So that is the dream for so many people watching here. You might have a green card, you might have a student visa, you might be on a tourist visa still, or you might be out of status. However, most people that are watching here that are joining us, that come to us, ultimately want to have U.S. citizenship. Some people want just a green card, but either way, the goal for many people is to have the highest level of immigration status in the U.S., which is U.S. citizenship. So people wonder, can I file for VAWA and become a U.S. citizen, right? So can I file for VAWA and become a U.S. citizen? So remember that to qualify for VAWA, and for our firm, most of our clients are being abused by a U.S. citizen or a green card holder spouse. So most of our clients qualify for VAWA and a green card. So we usually apply for both the VAWA and the adjustment of status application, which is the green card application. Once you receive that green card, if you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can apply for citizenship in 3 years. So you qualify for citizenship after being a green card holder for 3 years. And if you are married to a green card holder, you can qualify for citizenship after 5 years as a green card holder. So yes, of course you can qualify for citizenship, and VAWA can be a pathway for you naturalizing, for you becoming a U.S. citizen ultimately. If we can help you with your VAWA case, please give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients with immigration cases all throughout the United States. If you would like to reach out to us, please don't hesitate to call us 703-348-1663. Awesome. And while I'm talking here, say hello, guys. I don't know many of you. I know we have a lot of new folks joining here. Go ahead and say hello. Tell me where you are watching from. I always love to know who is watching and what questions you might have for me about immigration. Okay. Hi, Chandra. Nice to see you. 1313 says hello. Hi, Nisha Agarwal. Nice to see you. We have the same last name. Hi, G. Always joining. I love it. Thank you. Perfect. Great. So I'm going to, hey, girly pop, if you want to shout out, say hello, tell me where you're watching from. Nisha Agarwal is from Pittsburgh. Awesome. If you have a question, please feel free to put it on here. Okay. Do you do EB2 NIW as well? Do you do EB2 NIW as well is something that Saroj is asking here. Yes, we do. We do a lot of employment-based cases. If you are the employer, right? Well, EB2 NIW, you do not need an employer to sponsor you. So we could perhaps help you with that. EB2 is an employment-based category. It's a green card process for employment. NIW is called, it stands for National Interest Waiver, and essentially you are waiving the PERM process that's usually required for employment-based green cards. So PERM is this whole lengthy process that shows the government, the Department of Labor, that you tried to recruit U.S. candidates for the job and nobody was available. So you want to hire this foreign national that you think will be qualified for the position. Okay, so that is what PERM is, and it's almost required for the majority of employment-based cases. But if you qualify for what's called a national interest waiver, you won't need that, right? So you don't need to go through PERM. You can apply directly for the green card, and with the national interest waiver, you don't even need an employer to sponsor you. So that's actually a really awesome thing. So yes, Saroj, I do that. If you'd like to schedule a consultation, please feel free to give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation by going to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Okay. Caesar says, how many prima facies will we receive? How many prima facies will we receive? So prima facie is something that you get when you file a VAWA self-petition. So for our firm, most of our clients who file for VAWA are married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and there is abuse in their marriage. So this is a self-petition for them to be able to apply for a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. So what you first receive when you file for a VAWA is a prima facie determination. So that comes 2 to 3 months after you apply, and it serves like a pre-approval of sorts for your case. And many people love getting this because it shows that you submitted enough evidence. It shows that you're on the right track to ultimately have an approved VAWA. So they are usually issued for 6 months at a time, and they have been being renewed quite regularly. So we are seeing them renewed quite regularly. Sometimes we've received multiple, 2, 3, 4 prima facies for our clients. So give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA case. And this is all good news. The VAWA processing times have increased. So it's really great to have this prima facie determination that can give you public benefits, that can perhaps protect you from removal. In some instances, we have been able to even close out court cases, removal cases that are pending against some of the clients based on a prima facie determination. So call us if we can help. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome. Great. Shabna started following us. Just a reminder, guys, follow us, like us on our social media platforms if you would like to be notified when I go live. If you're interested in learning about immigration, this is a great opportunity for you to do that. Ingrid, thank you for following us, liking us too. We're on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Awesome for you guys to just share this with others. Follow us, like us, so you can be connected with us on our social media platforms. You'll know when I go live, and hopefully you can log on and maybe we'll be able to provide clarity on your immigration questions. Okay. I want to learn how to work on my immigration papers. That's a great question. I want to learn how to work on my immigration papers. First step is to schedule a consultation. So call us to schedule 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Call us to schedule the consultation. We would love to chat with you about what you might qualify for. I would love that. We're doing our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Okay, so that's phone, Zoom, or in person. Feel free to reach out to us and with whatever method works for you. And we would love to chat with you about what options might be available for you and what the process looks like for you. Okay. Why is the processing timeline changing again and again for VAWA? It was 18 months, 24, 36, now it's 39. It's become a popular way. People are getting more aware that they may be eligible for something like VAWA. So more are being filed and the government is processing essentially. So essentially there's more VAWA applicants and the government is processing. So how do we speed things up? There's nothing that we can do on the government side necessarily to speed up processing for them. But what you can do, which might help your application, is to work with an attorney that is experienced with VAWA that can help prepare a strong application for you. So you have all of the evidence right from the start. Sometimes an RFE, a request for evidence, can't be avoided, but the stronger your application is from the start, the higher the likelihood that it's going to be approved. For us, we have recently had cases where we have approvals with no request for evidence on a VAWA case. We don't even usually provide a psychological evaluation. I know many attorneys do that. We don't usually do that on the front end. And we have received approvals with no request for evidence without even providing a psychological evaluation, where the strongest piece of evidence of abuse was the statement, the detailed statement that we work with the client to prepare and include as an exhibit for the VAWA case, where we outline the various forms of abuse. So we've been successful with that. We provide all the required evidence. You want to make sure it's a fine balance. You don't want to provide too much. You don't want to provide too little, but you want to provide a strong application packet to reduce your chances of perhaps a request for evidence. If you do receive a request for evidence, hopefully it's something limited, right? So hopefully it's something small that you can answer quickly and the government can make a decision on your case, okay? Call us if we can help with your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration cases, all right? I just filed for my husband. I'm a U.S. citizen. He is in India. How long will it take? So I just filed for my husband. I'm a U.S. citizen. My husband is in India. How long will this take? So the first step in that process is to file this I-130 petition, which only shows that you are a U.S. citizen and that you're in a real marriage with your husband who's located somewhere outside of the U.S. in India in this circumstance. That takes about 9 months to get approved. The case then gets transferred over to the National Visa Center, and the National Visa Center opens up your case. You fill out the immigrant petition there. You submit all of the documents. Once it's submitted, it'll take another 6 months or so to get to an interview, to have an interview scheduled at the embassy or consulate abroad. Your husband will then appear at that consulate for the interview and complete a medical exam while they are still outside of the country. The consulate will then approve the case, hopefully, and issue the visa stamp, and your husband will come in. So it can take about 2 years or so on average. I hope that answers your questions. If we can help you with a green card, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right? Will my abusive partner know if I filed a VAWA application? So will my abusive partner know if I filed a VAWA application? That is a fantastic question. Remember, VAWA is confidential. It's highly confidential. Even if I file the case, I'm the attorney, and I call USCIS, they won't even talk to me. I have to use a secure line, right? A secure email address with my email that is on their file for them to respond to any questions about the case. So no one can just call and find out information about your case. For our firm, we take extra precautions. We have all of the information come to our office address. We are listed as the mailing address for our VAWA clients because they do not usually want mail coming to their home address, right? Because they're scared that their spouse might find out about this immigration process. So we serve as the mailing address. We scan everything that comes in and we email it to you, or we can give it to you through our secure portal if you would like, or we can mail it to a different location. So different people prefer different methods of receiving that information. However, we do serve as the secure mailing address and everything will come directly to our office. Also, let's say your abusive spouse gets wind of your case and tries to call you a CIS, no one will talk to them about the VAWA case. So don't worry about that. It's highly, highly confidential and no one can find out unless you want to share it with them. It's between you and us if you work with us and the government, okay? Call us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. China app says, after Prima Facie, how am I going to know if I was approved for VAWA? Through a phone call or by mail. So we get an approval notice. So that's how I find out. We get an approval notice, and that is how you know. And we usually, for our firm, we check our cases, all of our cases, once a week. So we check everybody's case status online once a week. And we see any updates. So usually we're notified that it's been approved even before we get the approval notice in the mail. And then of course we get the VAWA EAD, which many people already have an EAD when we get the VAWA EAD because they qualify for VAWA and a green card. Okay, call us if we can help. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients with all types of immigration cases. Awesome, China. I hope that was helpful for you. What is the next step after a VAWA self-petition is approved, right? So you got the VAWA approval. So what happens next after my VAWA self-petition is approved? Most of our clients apply and qualify to apply for a VAWA and a green card application. For most clients, we can do this at the same time. So we apply for VAWA and adjustment of status, which is the green card application, along with work authorization and travel authorization. So once your VAWA is approved, the next step is the green card. So usually the green card interview will be scheduled. Our clients and I will prepare for that green card interview with both documents and practice, either through Zoom or in person, depending on where they're located and their preference. And then we attend with the client, we attend the interview and represent them at the green card interview. And a couple weeks after that green card interview, sometimes even sooner, we receive the green card in the mail. All right, that is what happens. It's very exciting. Give us a call if you would like to work with us on your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, I'm going to try to get to some other questions, but I may have to stop a little earlier today. I've sent my adjustment of status application March 10th and I haven't received anything. Is that normal? So yes, it usually takes about a month to receive receipt notices, Mira. I hope that's helpful. Call us if we can help, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States. Feel free to call us for immigration questions if you have any. We'd love to schedule a consultation with you. Our consultations are done by phone, Zoom, or in person. And we go through your immigration options. We discuss what you might be eligible for, right? So there's a number of different things that we look at. Okay. All right. I'm going to have to stop for today. Dilshad, I see your question and I feel compelled to answer it, so I will, but then that will be my last question for today. But just a reminder, everyone, follow us and like us on our social media platforms. When I come on again, you will be notified and you can put your questions in if I have not gotten to it today, okay? All right, Dilshad says, my friend filed for VAWA in June and he got his Prima Facie in November. When will he receive his work permit? Usually about 6 months after you apply for the VAWA. So pretty soon I would expect, I'm surprised that he hasn't received it yet. For our clients, it's taking about 7 months from the time that you apply. If you're doing VAWA and a green card, if you're doing VAWA alone, you have to wait for the VAWA to get approved before you receive that work permit. Okay, so VAWA adjudication is taking about 2 years right now. But if he qualifies for VAWA and a green card, your friend should definitely apply for both. Give us a call if we can help. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, what I'm providing here is general information. I don't know a lot about anyone's immigration history, background, what you even qualify for. What I'm providing here is general information. If you would like to talk specifically about your case or a friend's case, please feel free to reach out to us and we would love to chat with you about that, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day, a great afternoon, and I will see you all again very soon. Please share this with others if you think they want to join us next time. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.